Today we are making a Pina Colada whipped face scrub. Let's get into the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Hi everyone and welcome to Mon-Ara, where we believe clean ingredients plus consistency equals clear skin. Get a clean bowl to start. Then you're going to use pineapple powder. You can get all this. I will mention all the ingredients down below and also at the end of the video and where you can get these ingredients. We have our raw African honey. We have some extracts, pineapple enzyme, which is all soluble. And definitely do not forget your face cleanser base. You can always buy this. Now you're going to start measuring all the ingredients in your clean bowl. Make sure your bowl is clean and don't forget to use a 99% isopropyl alcohol to also clean the bowl. Go ahead and add your ingredients, except your preservative, your fragrance, and our dried coconut. Once all these ingredients have been measured properly, you want to go ahead and whip it up. You're going to whip it to double the size. Now I am adding my raw African honey, which you can always purchase from the website. I would leave a link to where you can purchase this ingredient in the description box. Another great ingredient is the turmeric infused oil. You can make this at home, or if you have turmeric essential oil, you can substitute. For all substitutions, go ahead to the blog, which will be given in the description box, and read our blog. Whip this cleanser until double the size, and then we are going to add our exfoliant. Now, I made this dried coconut meat myself. You can make this coconut meat from juicing coconut. So after you juice your coconut, the leftover, you want to dry it and then blend it in a coffee grinder depending on how smooth or fine you want your end product to be. Add that to your face cleanser, now Pina Colada, and keep adding till you get your desired consistency. Fragrance is optional. Because this is a range-of product, I like to add fragrances, but if it was a leave-on product, I would definitely not add. But do as you like. Now we're piping this into a Ziploc bag and putting it in a jar. After piping your soap in the jar, cover the lid, and you can always add a label. I made this cute label by myself. This is optional, but if you do have a label at home, go ahead and design your label and stick it to your jar. There we have it, a Pina Colada whipped face scrub by Mon-Ara. Now let's put this face scrub to the test. Let's see how well it lathers. Like I said, I made this base myself, but you can definitely buy the base. You can buy foaming bat whip from different stores online, and I will mention some stores where you can buy this. If you want me to show you a video of how I made my own face base cleanser, please like and comment down below. I hope you liked this video. Please give us a thumbs up, comment, share, like, and definitely watch out for the recipe that will be coming up shortly. Thank you.